Hello and welcome to your channel, your go-to place to learn, practice, and master English speaking with confidence. Let's make learning English fun, easy, and powerful together.
Improving your concentration power is a crucial skill that can enhance productivity, learning, and overall well being. It's not about being able to focus for hours on end without a break, but rather about training your brain to be more resilient against distractions and to sustain attention when you need it most. This can be achieved through a combination of lifestyle adjustments, environmental changes, and specific brain training exercises. The foundation, lifestyle and environmental changes before diving into specific exercises, it's essential to establish a strong foundation. Your ability to concentrate is heavily influenced by your physical and mental state. Prioritize sleep. Lack of sleep is a major contributor to poor concentration. The brain uses sleep to consolidate memories and perform cognitive housekeeping. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. This means maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, avoiding screens before bed, and creating a dark, quiet, and cool sleeping environment. Exercise regularly. Physical activity is not just for your body, it's a powerful tool for your brain. Regular exercise increases blood flow to the brain, which can improve cognitive functions like memory and attention. Even short walks can help. Eat for your brain. Your diet plays a significant role in your cognitive processes. Fuel your brain with nutritious foods like fatty fish, leafy greens, and berries. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks that can lead to energy crashes and impair focus. Staying hydrated is also crucial as dehydration can cause headaches and decreased cognitive function. Mindfulness and meditation. Practicing mindfulness is about focusing on the present moment without judgment. This practice, even for just a few minutes a day, can help rewire your brain to better sustain attention and reduce mind wandering. Declutter your space. A chaotic environment can lead to a chaotic mind. A tidy workspace, free of unnecessary items and irrelevant browser tabs, can reduce cognitive overload and help you focus more effectively. The art of focused work, strategies, and techniques. Once you've addressed the foundational elements, you can implement strategies to optimize your work or study sessions. Avoid multitasking. Contrary to popular belief, multitasking is often inefficient and can dilute your concentration. The brain has a limited capacity for attention, and constantly switching between tasks can leave attention residue, making it harder to focus on the next thing. Focus on one task at a time and see it through to completion. Use the Pomodoro technique. This time management method is a popular way to structure your work. It involves breaking your work into focused intervals, typically 25 minutes long, separated by short 5-minute breaks. After 4 Pomodoros, you take a longer break, 15 to 30 minutes. This technique helps prevent mental fatigue and keeps you from feeling overwhelmed. Take regular breaks. your brain's ability to focus deteriorates over time. Taking short breaks is not a sign of weakness. It's a proven way to reset and restore your concentration. Step away from your desk, stretch, or take a short walk to give your mind a chance to rest. Establish clear goals. Before you start a task, define what you want to achieve. Break down large projects into smaller, manageable steps. This helps direct your mental energy, reduces the feeling of being overwhelmed, and keeps you focused on the task at hand. Limit distractions. This is a crucial step. Silence notifications on your phone, close unnecessary browser tabs, and consider using website blockers. Create a do not disturb environment to minimize interruptions. Training your brain. Concentration exercises just like a muscle. Your brain's ability to focus can be strengthened with targeted exercises. Brain games and puzzles. Engage your mind with activities like Sudoku, crossword puzzles, chess, or jigsaw puzzles. These activities can help develop working memory, problem-solving skills, and the ability to sustain attention. Read long-form content. In a world of short, bite-sized information, reading a long, dense book can be a powerful way to train your focus. It requires you to stay engaged with a single narrative or topic for an extended period. Mindful breathing. This is a simple but effective exercise. Sit comfortably and focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. When your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. This practice trains your brain to resist distraction. Active listening. Practice listening intently to someone without daydreaming or planning your response. This takes a surprising amount of concentration and can significantly improve your focus in conversations and meetings. Counting backwards. Choose a high number like 100 and count backward. The goal is to do this without letting your mind wander. This is a simple exercise you can do anywhere to practice sustained attention. That be why implementing these strategies and exercises, you can systematically improve your concentration power, leading to a more focused and productive life. Remember, like any skill, it takes consistent effort and patience to see lasting results.